Ensuring your website looks stunning on every screen, from the largest desktop to the smallest mobile, is no longer an option, it's a necessity. In Webflow, mastering responsive design is incredibly straightforward. And today we're going to unlock its full potential. We'll start by understanding how Webflow handles screen sizes when you're designing. You're typically working on the desktop view first. This is your foundation. Any styles you apply here will cascade down to smaller screens unless you explicitly override them. To make adjustments for other screen sizes, you'll use the responsive preview tools located at the top of your Webflow designer. Simply click on the tablet icon to switch to tablet preview. Observe how your design adapts. You'll likely see some elements that need tweaking. For example, consider this section on desktop. It might be perfectly spaced, but on tablet, the elements might be too close together. This is where you make your changes. Select the element you want to adjust, like this paragraph or image. Then, in the Style panel on the right, look for the margin and padding controls. You can now tweak these values specifically for the tablet view. Notice how the blue indicators in the Style panel change to reflect that you're making a table-specific adjustment. Now let's move to the smallest screen, the mobile view. Click the mobile icon again. Your layout might need further refinement. Perhaps some text is too large, or a container needs to be narrower. To adjust the font size of this heading for mobile, select the heading element in the Style panel, find the typography section, and click the small all sizes icon next to the font size. A drop-down will appear. Select the mobile phone icon to change the font size. Just for mobile, Webflow makes it easy to isolate these changes. You can also adjust other properties like display settings, from block to flex or grid, or even hide elements entirely for specific screen sizes. Simply select the element and find the relevant setting in the Style panel. By systematically adjusting your design across desktop, tablet, and mobile views, you ensure a seamless and professional user experience for everyone, no matter how they're viewing your website. This proactive approach to responsive design is key to building truly adaptive websites. And that's how you effectively make changes to all screen sizes in Webflow, creating a website that truly shines everywhere.